Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert dotted line tab leader in Affinity Publisher. Let's get started. At first, we have to open an Affinity Publisher document. Now we want to add the dotted line tab leader. Firstly, click inside the text box. Then go to the view menu. Enable the show text ruler option. Then click before the text and go to the window menu. Click the text option and enable the paragraph. Then we can see here the tab stop. Now I enable this. Then click the plus icon and set the tab 0.5. Now I want to add the tab leader is dot. Click this drop down menu and choose the tab leader character option. Then click before text again and press tab on our keyboard. Now we can see we add the tab stop dot leader very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.